If you're looking for help fixing your Tempstar air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive Tempstar air conditioner repair guide will explain common issues, provide troubleshooting tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code A1. Problem: malfunction of indoor unit PCB. Malfunction due to noise defect of indoor unit PCB. Code A3. Problem: malfunction of drain level control system. Drain piping clogging. Improper drain piping work. Defect of drain pump. Defect of float switch. Code A4. Problem: malfunction of freezing protection. Shortage of water volume. Low water temperature setting. Defect of 26WL. Defect of water temperature thermistor. Code A5. Problem: high pressure control and heating. Freeze-up protection control and cooling. Clogged air filter of indoor unit and short circuit. Defect of indoor unit heat exchanger thermistor. Code A6. Problem: fan motor locked. Overload. Overcurrent. Defect of connector contact. Defect of indoor unit PCB. Defect of fan motor. Code A7. Problem: malfunction of swing flap motor. Failure of swing flap motor. M. Defect of indoor unit PCB. Jammed swing mechanism. Blade. Code A8. Problem: malfunction of power supply. Overcurrent of AC input. Defect of power supply voltage. Code A9. Problem: malfunction of electronic expansion valve drive. Defect of electronic expansion valve coil. Defect of indoor unit PCB. Defect of connector contact. Code AA. Problem: heater overheat. 26WH is activated. Code AF. Problem: malfunction of a humidifier system. Water leakage of humidifier option. Failure of swing float switch. Improper drain piping incline. Code A. Problem: malfunction of dust collector of air cleaner. Defect of dust collecting element. Defect of high voltage power supply unit. Stained insulator part. Defect of indoor unit PCB. Code AJ. Problem: malfunction of capacity setting. Indoor unit PCB capacity setting adapter is not installed when replacing PCB. Defect of indoor unit PCB. Code C1. Problem: failure of transmission between indoor unit PCB and fan PCB. Defect of transmission of fan motor control driver. Code C4. Problem: malfunction of liquid pipe thermistor for heat exchanger. Defect of connector contact. Defect of liquid pipe thermistor for heat exchanger. Code C5. Problem: malfunction of gas pipe thermistor for heat exchanger. Defect of connector contact. Defect of gas pipe thermistor for heat exchanger. Code C6. Problem: malfunction of fan motor control driver. Defect of fan motor sensor system. Defect of fan motor control driver. Code C7. Problem: front panel driving motor fault. Defect of front panel driving motor. Defect of limit switch. Code C9. Problem: malfunction of suction air thermistor. Defect of connector contact. Defect of thermistor for suction air. Code CA. Problem: malfunction of discharge air thermistor. Defect of connector contact. Defect of thermistor for discharge air. Code CC. Problem: malfunction of humidity sensor system. Defect of connector contact. Defect of humidity sensor.